Once again, you're welcome to your favorite cooking channel, Cooking with Abba, where we make every food moment count. Today, we're making some squash soup. Yes, squash. Now, squash is mostly known as the summer squash, yellow varieties of squash. There's a green one. So, generally, squash is high in vitamin A, B6, C, folate, magnesium, fiber, riboflavin, phosphorus, and potassium. So you realize it's a serious super pack veggie. So yeah, if you've not tried squash before, today I'm going to teach you one squash recipe to do squash meat soup. Yes, but you can decide to omit the meat if you want to. So you need your squash, you need your ginger, you need your pepper, you need your garlic. I'm going to add in a bit of onion and some Broccolini stem part just to add in more veggies, some bell pepper, carrots, and of course, I'm going to use a little bit of meat in there. And I'm going to season with my cauliflower pepper sauce and a bit of salt to taste. So, this is a super rich vegetable soup recipe. Yes. And I'd really like you to give it a try. So, for my meat, I'm going to season it with my cauliflower pepper sauce, which is on this channel. Now I'm doing that because it saves me more cooking time. It still adds in the flavor, it still adds in the nutrients, and I get more veggie cakes in there. So I'm just going to add in my broccolini stem part, which is going to thicken it. It's going to serve as a thickener in my soup for me. I'm going to add in the rest of my veggies. Everything goes on in there. Now, the beautiful part about this meal is that enchebing. Yeah, so it doesn't take too long to actually come to cook beautifully. So I'm just cutting the carrot in so to be easy for it to cook faster. Then I can blend it when I'm blending the other veggies because I didn't want the other veggies to be soft and the carrot is still not cooked. Then I'm going to add in the squash. But the squash, you have to take up the skin off. Yes, so I guess use a potato peeler to take off the skin. Then when I was done, what I did was to cut it into smaller chunks and then add it on into the base. Now you realize I didn't add the onion, pepper, ginger, garlic because I later remembered that my cauliflower pepper sauce had enough pepper cake in there. So adding more ginger, pepper, garlic was going to make it too hot, too spicy. So I just didn't add it in anymore. Then I just added in my squash. Then I allowed it to come to boil. Squash doesn't take long to cook. So once it's come to boil, I'm just going to pick them out and blend them and put them back in there. And then add in my salt to taste. Now you realize that I started everything all together. So by the time it's cooked, your meat is cooked, your squash and everything will be also cooked as well. It's a simple, quick fix vegetable soup base, rich in nutrients, good for your health, good for your immunity, and it's a super packed one. So you can add in a bit of meat. Yeah, I like it with the meat. You could add in chicken if you want to. You could just take it without the protein as well. It's up to you. So yeah, try the simple squash soup and then live life to the fullest. So I see you in the next food video. I hope you did learn something new today. I hope you give this recipe a try. Do live life to the fullest. Be merry, be joyous. Till I see you in the next food video. Lots of love for my team and I, as always. We just love you all. Mwah.